स्टूडेंट्स, उम्मीद है कि आप सब खैरियत से होंगे। आज मैं आपके साथ लेसन नंबर 22 की ऑब्जेक्टिव पार्ट शेयर करूंगा और सब्जेक्ट कोड होगा EDU101 की ऑब्जेक्टिव और सब्जेक्टिव पार्ट और लेसन नंबर 22। जैसा कि लेसन नंबर 19, 20 और 21 ऑलरेडी अपलोडेड हैं, आप जाकर देख सकते हैं। तो चलते हैं जी ऑब्जेक्टिव पार्ट की जानिब। क्वेश्चन नंबर MCQ नंबर 1 है जी, phenomenology focuses on the systematic reflection and investigation of the structures of external reality, scientific concepts, subjective experience and consciousness, social relationship. Option number C, subjective experience and consciousness. नेक्स्ट है जी 2 MCQ नंबर, अकॉर्डिंग टू हाउसरल द ट्रू मीनिंग बिहाइंड एक्शन कैन बी फाउंड इन साइंटिफिक मेथड, न्यूट्रलिस्टिक थिंकिंग, कॉन्शियसनेस, सोशल स्ट्रक्चर। तो ऑप्शन नंबर है सी, कॉन्शियसनेस। नेक्स्ट है 3, स्कॉट्स सजेस्ट दैट इंडिविजुअल coexist and have intertwined consciousness through observing others' experience, accepting their own existence, reflecting on past memories, analyzing social structures। तो ऑप्शन नंबर है ए, ऑब्जर्विंग अदर्स एक्सपीरियंसेस। तो नेक्स्ट MCQ नंबर 4, स्कॉट्स concept of united individualism implies A has shared experience but unique consciousness, identical experience and consciousness, individual experience without social connections, independent experience with shared consciousness। तो ऑप्शन नंबर है ए, shared experience but unique consciousness। नेक्स्ट है MCQ नंबर 5, अकॉर्डिंग टू स्कॉट्स a social scientist should act as an observer to, ऑप्शन नंबर ए है, एनालाइज हिस्टोरिकल इवेंट्स, एलिमिनेट बेसिस, डिटैच फ्रॉम पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस, चैलेंज द एग्जिस्टिंग प्री कंडीशंस। तो ऑप्शन नंबर है बी, एलिमिनेट बेसिस। नेक्स्ट है MCQ नंबर 6, the distinction between things themselves and our experiences of them in a central focus is, ऑप्शन नंबर ए है, Scott's contribution to phenomenology, Husserl's contribution to phenomenology, common threads of phenomenological methodology। तो ऑप्शन नंबर सी, कॉमन थ्रेड्स ऑफ phenomenology। नेक्स्ट है MCQ नंबर 7, which approach to science does phenomenology find limitations in, ऑप्शन नंबर ए है, पॉजिटिविस्ट अप्रोच, न्यूट्रलिस्टिक अप्रोच, एक्सपेरिमेंटल अप्रोच, हिस्टोरिकल अप्रोच। ऑप्शन नंबर ए है, पॉजिटिविस्ट अप्रोच। नेक्स्ट है क्वेश्चन MCQ नंबर 8, द गोल ऑफ phenomenology is to enhance the richness and vitality of historical knowledge, scientific concepts, everyday lived experience, aesthetic appreciation। ऑप्शन नंबर सी है, एवरीडे लिव्ड एक्सपीरियंस। नेक्स्ट MCQ नंबर 9, अकॉर्डिंग टू Husserl's perception is based on, ऑप्शन ए है, रिटेंशन एंड मेमोरी, साइंटिफिक ऑब्जर्वेशंस, एक्सटर्नल स्टिमुलाई, ओनली सोशल इंटरेक्शंस। तो ऑप्शन नंबर ए है, रिटेंशन एंड मेमोरी। 10 MCQ नंबर, Scott's contribution to phenomenology emphasizes the importance of realist concepts, individual subjectivity, group understanding and unity, scientific investigations, group understanding and unity. Next है 11 phenomenology examines the pattern of subjective experience and consciousness based on external influences, objective observations, historical events, consciousness itself. तो ऑप्शन नंबर डी है consciousness itself. Next MCQ number 12. According to Husserl, past events influence one's present consciousness through time consciousness, external stimuli, scientific method, social interactions. तो ऑप्शन नंबर ए है टाइम कॉन्शियसनेस. तो नेक्स्ट है 13 स्कॉट्स सजेस्ट दैट इंडिविजुअल कैन ऑब्जर्व देयर ओन एक्सपीरियंस. तो ऑप्शन नंबर है ए रियल टाइम थ्रू मेमोरी एंड रिफ्लेक्शन बाय detaching from bases with social structures. तो ऑप्शन नंबर बी है थ्रू मेमोरी एंड रिफ्लेक्शन. 14 है Scott's contribution to phonology. Phenomenology highlights the concept of growing old together as unique experience, individual acts, shared consciousness, social relationship. तो ऑप्शन नंबर सी है shared consciousness. नेक्स्ट है 15 The social work is viewed as a multiform structure in Husserl's contribution to phenomenology. Scott's contribution to phenomenology, common threads of phenomenology, phenomenological methodology. Option number B है Scott's contribution to phenomenology. 16 है Scott's approach to phenomenology suggests that individuals understand others with similar experience through detaching from basis, group understanding and unity, observing others' experiences, analyzing social structure. Option number है B group understanding and unity. Next है 17 The common threads of phenomenology include a fear and avoidance of thinking that leads to doubting and the existence of consciousness, social structures, historical events, the outside world. Option number D है the outside world. MCQ number 18 Phenomenology provides a methodological solution for the scientific investigation of. Option number A है realists concept, aesthetic experience, historical events, everyday lived experience. Option number A है realist concepts. Next है 19 According to Scott's, individuals must draw from their own experience to fill in the blanks in scientific investigations, historical narratives, social interactions, phenomenological analysis. तो सी ऑप्शन है social interactions. Next है 20 The goal of phenomenology is to explain how perceptions are gained, molded and used in scientific experiments, everyday life, aesthetic appreciation and social relationship. Option number B everyday life. तो लेसन नंबर 22 की सब्जेक्टिव पार्ट. What does phenomenology examine? Phenomenology examines patterns of subjective experience and consciousness. Next question number 2. What is the focus of phenomenology? The focus is on systematic reflection and investigation of the structure of consciousness. Next है question number 3. Is phenomenology based solely on consciousness? Yes, phenomenology is based solely on consciousness. 4 है Are individuals influenced by others in phenomenology? Yes, individual can be influenced by others but they do not have the same experience. 5 है question number How does phenomenology view the social world? Phenomenology views the social world as a multiform structure. Next है What is the concept of inner subjectivity in phenomenology? Intersubjectivity refers to the individual's subjective experience of the world. And next 7, what is meant by group understanding unity in phenomenology? Group understanding unity refers to the idea that individuals can have their consciousness intertwined, leading to a shared understanding within a social group. Next 8, according to Husserl, where can the true meaning behind action be found? According to Husserl, the true meaning behind action can be found in consciousness. Next at 19, what is time consciousness in Husserl's philosophy? Time consciousness refers to the idea that past events influence one's present consciousness and perception. Next at 10, question: how is perception influenced the retention and memory? Husserl's view: perception is influenced by past memories and reflections, shaping what one sees in the present. Next, question number 11. According to Scott's, what must individual accept? Individual must accept their own existence and the existence of others. 12. Question है, how does Scott's describe the coexistence of individual consciousness? Scott's describe the coexistence of individual consciousness as intertwined or interconnected. Next, 13 question, how does shared experience contribute to the social world? According to Scott's, shared experiences lead to the development of the social world and the understanding of united individualism. So next है 14 question, how should social scientists act? According to Scott, social scientists should act on observers the detaching and themselves from basis. तो next है question number 15, what is the distinction between reality and our experience of reality in phenomenology? Phenomenology explores the distinction between things themselves and our subjective experience of them. Next has 16, how does phenomenology contribute to the understanding of social structure? Phenomenology helps understand how social structure develop and why certain actions are formed by breaking down individuals and examining their experience. Next has 17, what is the aim of phenomenology in relation to the everyday lived experience? The aim is to enhance the richness and vitality of everyday lived experience. Next 18, what kind of thinking does phenomenology avoid? Phenomenology avoids the kind of thinking that results in doubting the existence of the outside world. Question number 19, what does phenomenology provide in terms of scientific investigation? So phenomenology provides a methodological solution for scientific investigation of realist concepts. So MCQ question number 20, what does phenomenology explain regarding perception in everyday life? Phenomenology explains how perceptions are gained, molded and used in everyday life. तो ये थी हमारी लेसन नंबर 22 की सब्जेक्टिव और ऑब्जेक्टिव पार्ट आपके साथ शेयर की। उम्मीद है कि आपको समझ आ गई होगी। आपने ये कंसेप्ट क्लियर करना है कि सवाल में क्या पूछ रहे हैं, क्योंकि एग्ज़ाम में सेम टू सेम क्वेश्चन और MCQs नहीं आ सकते, तो तकरीबन कंसेप्चुअल होते हैं। ये क्वेश्चन और MCQs तकरीबन मोस्टली ऑल टॉपिक्स से उठाए गए हैं तो कंप्लीट टॉपिक इनमें कवर हो जाते हैं, लेकिन ये सेम टू सेम नहीं आते, तो आपने इनको अच्छे तरीके से समझ लेना है ताकि वहाँ एग्ज़ाम में चेंज MCQs या क्वेश्चन को भी आप इजीली सॉल्व कर सकें। तो उम्मीद है कि आपको हमारी वीडियो अच्छी लगी होगी। अगर अच्छी लगी है तो सब्सक्राइब, लाइक और कमेंट और शेयर करें। शुक्रिया।